Is the iPhone 17 Pro Max the most powerful smartphone Apple has ever created? That's the question we're diving into today. The excitement surrounding Apple's next flagship device is palpable. Leaks, rumors, and speculation have fueled a whirlwind of hype. But how much of what we've heard is truly groundbreaking? And does this device really live up to the buzz? Let's unpack the rumors, the potential features, and what it could mean for the future of smartphones. To understand why this device is so anticipated, we need to look at Apple's history. With each iteration of the iPhone, Apple has redefined what's possible in a smartphone, from introducing Face ID to championing computational photography. The iPhone 17 Pro Max appears to be no different. But what exactly makes it so special? Recent leaks point to bold design changes, possibly the most daring we've seen from Apple in years. Early speculation suggested a horizontal camera layout, a stark departure from Apple's iconic triangular arrangement. But trusted insiders quickly debunked this, suggesting Apple will stick to its hallmark design, refining rather than overhauling. And there's a reason for that. The triangular configuration isn't just for aesthetics. It supports spatial video, a feature introduced with the iPhone 16 Pro, allowing immersive content creation compatible with Apple's Vision Pro headset. In staying the course, Apple is building on its ecosystem, not reinventing the wheel. But design isn't the only area of intrigue. The materials could be getting a significant upgrade, with reports hinting at a hybrid aluminum and glass back panel. This change could make the device more durable, while keeping that signature premium feel. And let's not overlook the subtle nod to sustainability, an area where Apple has been making strides in recent years. Is this Apple's way of balancing innovation with environmental responsibility? Only time will tell. Of course, the cameras are always a focal point of any iPhone release, and the 17 Pro Max could redefine expectations. Rumors suggest a 48MP telephoto lens, matching the resolution of the primary and ultra-wide cameras. Imagine the consistency this would bring across all three lenses, unparalleled clarity, no matter which you use. On the front, a leap to 24MP sensors and 6-element lenses promises selfies and video calls that are sharper than ever. And for photography enthusiasts, ProRAW might finally support Apple's photographic styles, removing a long-standing limitation for creators who crave flexibility. Add to that potential built-in LUTs for ProRes video editing, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max could become a portable powerhouse for filmmakers. Under the hood, this device could be just as impressive. Apple's A19 Pro chip, built on TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process, is expected to deliver even greater efficiency and performance. Pair that with 12 GB of RAM, up from 8 GB in the previous model, and you've got a device capable of handling everything from demanding apps to next-gen augmented reality experiences. Battery life is another area where Apple could shine, with this advanced chip and optimized software working in tandem to deliver longer usage times, even with power-hungry features. And what about the display? While the size is expected to remain the same as the iPhone 16 Pro Max, enhancements in brightness, color accuracy, and refresh rates could make it the most stunning iPhone display yet. Rumors even suggest a more customizable always-on display, addressing user feedback Apple has received since its introduction. These might seem like small changes, but together, they could significantly enhance the user experience. As with any tech release, not every rumor will come to fruition. Talk of a lightweight iPhone 17 Air or a radically redesigned camera layout has already been dismissed by credible sources. Apple's focus seems to be on refining its existing lineup rather than branching out into experimental territory. But that's not to say there's no room for improvement. Users have long hoped for more flexibility with ProRAW photography, better wireless charging efficiency, and additional features to empower content creators. Will the iPhone 17 Pro Max deliver on all these fronts? That's the big question. Pricing, of course, will be a critical factor. Apple's flagships have never been budget-friendly, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max is no exception. Rumored to start at $1,199, with higher storage models potentially pushing $1,699, this device will undoubtedly be a significant investment. But for those who value cutting-edge technology, it could be worth every penny. In the end, the iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just about features. It's about Apple's ongoing pursuit of innovation and excellence. Whether it's the camera upgrades, the performance enhancements, or the ecosystem integration, this device is shaping up to be a milestone in smartphone history. And while we won't know for sure until its anticipated release in September 2025, one thing is clear. Apple fans and tech enthusiasts alike have plenty to look forward to. So, what do you think? Does the iPhone 17 Pro Max have what it takes to set a new standard? Or are the rumors overhyped? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.